everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to archive your RedKey data wiping software just in case something would happen to it. So first thing what you want to do is you want to put the RedKey into your computer, which I'm going to do here. As you can see, it is in there. No, I don't need to do that. These are all the files. Now, I already copied all the files, which look like this. If we go back to the RedKey, looks exactly the same. Now, since I did that, I'm going to eject the RedKey. Alright, so I ejected the RedKey. I'm going to put this in. I already copied the files to this. And the files look exactly the same. So you want to copy them to your desktop first, then you want to copy them to your new thumb drive. So now what I want to do is go to RedKey Updater, which stands for RedKey Updater. I'm going to run it anyway. This is another computer. The computer you saw me erase is right next to this one. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. Select language. Right? So it's detecting the devices. Ooh. This is a good thing here. This has write proof correction, which means if I am going to use the updated files on another flash drive, I have to have this installed, because this software only recognizes this. That is why you don't see the other thumb drive. So now, let's restart the computer, and we're going to see if we can get into it. And on this computer, it is F2 to get in. So now we're going to change the options to boot off the thumb drive. Alright, so we're going to go into here. We're going to go to first boot device, which is removable on this particular one. Hard disk, CD-ROM. There we go. Push F10. Y is OK. There we go. So if it boots, that means you can do it. It did not do it. So you have to use this in order to get the files to work, because everything is based off this hardware. And I'll prove that to you in a second. Alright, so I'm going to take that out. I'm going to put the red key in. We're going to restart the computer. Now, if this works, that proves that you can only run it from there. Now, I'm going to pull that out. I'm going to put this in. There we go. No bootable device found. So this isn't going to work. So it recognizes that the red key is bootable. So I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to put the red key in. And I'm going to boot off the red key. See? So the software can only run on the red key thumb drive itself. Now I'm just checking it. There we go. So it is working. Now if we get all the way in, that means that that software is programmed to only recognize the red key thumb drive. This prevents from copying stuff or anything like that, which is actually really good, because it's kind of like BitLocker, the way the programmer did it. So we're just going to go in here for a little bit and we're going to see what happens. Now if it goes all the way in, then that's fine. Alright, this is good. So nothing happened to the software. You can copy it, but you will not be able to use it unless it's on a red key USB thumb drive.
Welcome to RedKey Professional.
So nothing happened to this red key. It's reading that I have a spinner hooked up. So now I'm going to power off the machine. So the RedKey USB software is fine. So anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.